So here we are at Pappas BBQ. This is what it looks like right next to the Gulf Freeway in near Hobby Airport in Houston area. We're about ready to go in, but first I just want to say thank you for joining us on the Char-Griller Barbecue Wars Tour Texas edition. It's been amazing. This is gonna be our last stop, and then we got more videos coming. We have yet had anybody approach us for the grill, so if nobody approaches me in here, we're gonna be taking the grill back with us to the studio and giving it away on the show. So get ready for that. And also, we have a huge behind the scenes video that's coming up next week after this. So let's go on inside and check it out.
Ready?
It's a nice looking place.
It's a great looking place.
Yeah, I'm
kind
ready.
of noisy, but let's go in.
Yeah, let's get out of the freeway and we'll be quiet.
It's probably quieter in here.
I don't know, they got music going.
Loud.
All right, here we go. Oh, love the tables. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's a big place. Look at the room. Look at everybody looking at me. I love it when I sweep across to the camera right there. Okay. Oh, look it over there. This place is jamming. I like that. It looks like it's very easy to duplicate this place. That's probably why they have so many locations. The layout's pretty basic, pretty wide open. I dig on it. Okay, so let's see if they got it. They got pulled pork. They got beef. I don't know what that means. They got hickory smoked ham, sausage, turkey breast. They got beef ribs. Oh, huh. Wonder where they stole this idea from. Hey, Rudy's. Hope you didn't trademark that. Well, we get a tray. Grab a tray. Hi, how are you? Good. I need to get. How do I get? Do I get can I order slices of brisket?
Yeah.
Like 2 slices.
You just want slices of brisket?
Huh?
We can do quarter pounds of brisket.
I have to order a quarter pound.
Yeah.
Okay, quarter pound of brisket. I need. Do you do half chicken?
Yeah, but we don't have.
You what?
Yeah, we don't have any chicken.
You have no chicken?
Just chicken breast, not half chicken.
All right, we'll do chicken breast.
Chicken breast?
Yep, and then do you have?
It's for here, correct?
Yes. So it's chicken. Then we need. Can I get 2 ribs, or do I have to order that quarter pound?
You can do 2 ribs, it's gonna be $3.50 a bowl.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 ribs and
Pulled pork.
right, pulled pork.
Ooh,
Right.
look at the mac and cheese.
And then I need also pulled pork. What is that? Quarter pound pulled pork? Greens. That's kind of cool. I like that. Look at, they got some cauliflower. They got great sides, dude. Oh yeah, you can see he keeps it wrapped in foil. That's nice. That's what I'm talking about. He doesn't leave it out. Look at that beef rib. Look at that rib.
That's good.
Woo. Beautiful. See, that's the kind I make at home. I don't get those big giant cow ribs. Just the basic. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah, baby. Beautiful.
That's what they want.
Get a shot of that. Get a shot of that. Huh? You can put both of them on there. I don't care. We're sharing everything.
Yeah.
Hey, what is this?
Relish bar.
Is this complimentary for? Is anybody? So, anybody?
It's complimentary.
Are we allowed to use this?
It's free.
Is this for everybody?
This is free.
All right, everybody, look at this. Look how beautiful that is. Each one of these is complimentary. Whatever you need, you grab. Everybody else charges for all that stuff. Look at that. Okay, guys. So here's the beef rib, right there. It's pretty thick. This is kind of like what I make at home. I get the rack with a little bit of meat on each side, and that's about it. Not like with the big mountain of meat. So these were $5 each. The pork ribs. Let's go to the pork ribs real quick. Pork ribs are over here. And the pork ribs were $2.50 each. And those are beautiful. And then look how beautiful those sides are. Look at that. Macaroni and cheese, potato salad, coleslaw. That's basically what we've been doing our whole trip. Chicken, that is just chicken breast. They didn't have any half chicken, so that's fine by me. And then look how beautiful this. That is beautiful. Alright guys, I'm looking at a bottle of espresso barbecue sauce. I wonder if it has coffee in it. I'm gonna try that in a minute. And then tangy mustard. Look at that. tangy mustard, huge bottles, as much as you want.
Cut that.
Yes, I will. All right, here we go. Espresso barbecue sauce. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, look at that. There we go. All right. Here we go. I don't smell any coffee, but here we go. That's just really, really good. Not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. Try it, Mitch.
No, I'm good.
No, just take a taste. No, I can't. I gotta share the love, buddy.
Why don't you tell me how you really felt, and then I'll try
telling
it.
you how I really feel. Just a little bit. Any bit will do. There you go. That's good. That's enough.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah, I'm good.
Pretty bad, huh?
Yeah, it's not good.
Never touch it. I'm not trying that mustard. Yeah, that's just
No,
really bad.
no.
Yep. Clean the palate.
Sides? You just get
Let's
them.
just do what's in front of you first.
All right, here's the rib.
All right, do the rib.
That looks nice.
Beautiful. It's got a perfect exterior. I noticed not as much of a smoke ring. But you got, look at it, come right off the bone, dude. The other place, Killen's, didn't do that. The last place we were at, it didn't come off that easy, remember?
Oh, no.
All right, we're gonna do the, with the lips take it off? No? Okay.
Maybe.
Okay, it's sticky like molasses sticky to my fingers. I can't explain. All right, here we go. Wow. Wow. Look at that. That's all red smoke. Beautiful. Wow. I'm gonna do big chicken now. You ready? Because chicken one has a. Yeah, I'm feeling it in my fingers right now. Chicken has a tendency to dry out. It's okay. Let me grab a piece of this brisket. See that right there?
It's moist.
Let's see. Yeah, it's feeling pretty solid, dude. Let's try it. I'm gonna pull it apart. It pulls apart, and it's the way you're cutting it.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean it's moist. Doesn't mean it's tender. They cut against the grain, so you're gonna have a bunch of little pieces of meat together. Yeah, I knew it'd be dry. All right, I can take a break.
Okay. I'll try that.
All right, here we go with the brisket.
It's the second half of yours. No.
I'm sorry.
Nothing.
How was it? I'm sorry.
It's a little dry.
I'm still chewing mine, dude. I was joking on it. Dude, I'm filming you and I'm still chewing my one piece.
I know.
All right, enough about that. What do you want to do next? Chicken?
I just want to swallow this.
Oh, I'm sorry, you still chewing?
Yep.
Okay, we'll be right back right after these messages.
All right, I'm going to dig into this
Just
chicken.
rip into it with your fingers, dude.
I'm going
Because
to.
I ain't eating any more of that. Oh, see how it just separates like that? Not always a great sign to me.
A little bit there. A lot of pepper.
Yeah, a lot of pepper. I don't mind black pepper. I'm a pepper fan.
Tastes good.
Is it moist to you?
No, it's not moist, but it's not dry either.
Not dry, right, but it's on its way, right?
Right, it is.
Yeah.
Well, she said they didn't have any chicken
That was
originally
the last
in the
piece
line.
up there. It was in the little display warmer.
He was in there, help me, help me.
Exactly,
Get me out
we
of
helped
here.
it.
Yeah,
All right.
good. All right, mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Try it. These
All right,
are
let's
the, these
do
are the
mac
big
and cheese next.
The big shells. It's just swimming in cheese.
I almost think that looks exactly like one we've had on the show.
Yeah.
This tour. Exactly. The last place we went that had the seashells, it almost looked exactly like that. Not saying it is, but all right. So that's what you just got done eating. All right, you got that in your flavor profile.
I'm good. Yeah.
All right, here we go. Now I know
Potato
there's
salad.
I know there's mustard in there, but there's a rainbow of colors. I don't know what's in there.
I don't know what's in this,
dude. And Mitch is more the potato salad aficionado. All right.
Okay. There's a lot of flavor in that.
Coleslaw looks wet.
It is.
I'm not seeing any red cabbage in there, dude.
Well, neither.
Have you ever heard of this all green coleslaw?
No. Okay.
You're done with that? Okay. I'm just gonna bite a beef and then.
Do the rib.
All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna bite the short side. Oh, look at that smoke. Okay, that is amazing color right there, isn't it?
Beef rib.
Yeah, that's the beef rib. Here we go. You ready? Wow. Okay. Wow. Boy. A little salty, but came right off the bone. So clean, so beautiful. Here, Mitch, try this.
I should eat that side.
Yeah. Take one big old bite, man.
Oh, it's good.
Smoked really good, isn't it?
Very good.
I honestly think that's the best thing they got going right now.
It is. By far.
Really? Yeah. Let me do the mac and cheese
Yeah, there
real
you go.
quick.
Try that.
All right, give me that.
All right.
I'm just doing one little shell. That's even salty. I mean, that's got to be out of. I'm guarantee you, that has salt in it. It means it's preservative, which means they got it out of a package. That's exactly what it is. All this stuff, salty. Yeah, this is all packaged stuff. I'm not even. All right, let me do the coleslaw real quick. Yeah, that's all prepackaged sides. None of that's made homemade. Okay, you wanted to start off with it? Go ahead.
All right, so we just left Pappas. I had some pretty good expectations walking in. The outside of the place looked pretty cool, but once we walked in, it was a little leery with the cafeteria style, the whole thing in there. What was interesting is a lot of people were not ordering the barbecue. There was inside.
Weird, wasn't that?
Yeah, they were doing a lot of the just salad bar, like ham sandwiches, burgers and cheese things. I don't know what else was on their plates, but anyway, not a lot of people.
The fries look great.
The fries look good.
The
but
french
not
fries
a
look
lot of
great.
people
So if you come
eat
here,
the
try the
barbecue.
fries. I don't know.
So maybe they just got too much going on. I don't know. But as far as the barbecue went, on what we did, the beef rib was probably the best thing they had going for them. It was pretty decent, but everything else just really didn't match up to anything we've done out here. So the sides were like right out of a can. It seemed like a lot of salt in them. Anyway.
Yeah, this is a place you don't want to go to. I don't recommend it. The only thing that I really enjoyed was the beef rib, and that was salty.
Yeah, it was salty.
All your set.
Yeah.
Don't open a barbecue place if you're not going to make homemade sides. Just don't do it. Those were Cisco sides. Those had, you could taste the preservatives in it. It just didn't taste like anything we've tasted this week.
No, not for like quality. You know, there's a lot of good barbecue places around Houston. I know there are. This wouldn't be one of my staples for sure.
This is what I call a armpit liquor.
Okay.
And if you've never heard me use that term, I'm going to turn the camera off, lick my armpit to get the taste out of my mouth from how bad that was. Scores on the screen, breakdown down below. Char-Griller, we love you.
Yeah,
We're bringing
you're awesome.
home a grill.
Yeah. Woo.
We're bringing home a grill. Looks
Yep.
like we're going to give it away on the show. Be watching next week because all of our behind-the-scenes footage is going to be airing after this.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Awesome.
We love you.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.